I do agree with the mayor. It is every city. It's for every city totally different. Different measurements, different rules, and it's like a multi-headed monster, and it doesn't go away. So you really have to think about measurements and being very strict.
I think that it's important in this way to avoid to talk about the management of tourism and the management of the city separately.
Yes, exactly.
In our experience, our process have been during a lot of years only promoting the city, because the objective was attract people, because Barcelona was then a tourist destination. After that, we discovered the need to manage tourism in the city. Is another stage in our process. During 4 or 5 years, my own direction of tourism in the city managed the tourism in the city, and now we are saying another thing absolutely different. We are managing a city with tourism.